Hello everybody, welcome to Fi Di Piipl, the program to make you know what happen in the world in a Fi language.
Tuesday, January 12, 2010, one 7.0 size earthquake mash up Haiti and kill whole heap of people. Left the rest in a whole heap of muck with not even a roof over their head. Wednesday morning, bright and early, everybody a jump round for help Haiti. Some people feel so if we help Ieshan them we would have run left Haiti, and the rest think so we know fi harbor them in our country because I know a safe move. The people them who no want we help them feel that way there because of the one thing we come to mind when you hear Haiti and Jamaica together, the gun for drugs trade. Nick Davis from BBC News on October 25, 2008 claims that Jamaica swap ganja for gun from Haiti. And now it look like only from the Ieshan them start come to Jamaica in 2004, so much gun when I have no owner dey on the road. From the swap guan, them say the fisherman them a trade the drugs mostly on Elsha Beach in a Portmore. One fisherman named Bulky tell Davis say they left Jamaica and go to Haiti with whole heap of ganja and carry out the gun them. Them sell it and make whole heap of money so it pay them. One part in the Alta Press newspaper on February 6, 2007, we show you say trade really a going in Jamaica with Haiti. In it, the Prime Minister Preval say, enough war a going in Haiti because of drugs, but the whole world knows say no Haiti makey. Him say the Ieshan them are the last people to hold the drugs. The people them who really want the drugs come from America. Haiti name always a call because the police always a find some problem with them. The Ieshan them always a mix up with things when of in our country, and we have sitting for do with the gun for drugs trade. It just sad, say swap we are going with Haiti and Jamaica with the gun, them and the drugs, nah tap.
Today me I go talk about my interview with one important Asian woman named Marita Desume, we do enough things for Jamaica. Almost everybody in the world thinks that the Asian them are obeahman, say them sell gun, say them a refugee, and say them poor. Jamaica the right side of them, and them think the same thing. But Asian people do enough things for Jamaica when nobody not talk about. And today, me I go tell you about what Asian people do for Jamaica. Marita Desume born in Haiti, but she live in Jamaica from she young. Desume's father did a one famous politician and revolutionary in Haiti too. Through the war in the country, Desume's father did have a runway in the 1950s and come live in Jamaica. Them time, Marita did 5. Desume's father do enough things for Jamaica. He built one of the first plastic factory in the country. We're still there about today. The factory did give more business in Jamaica, so more money did come in. It did help enough other business too. For sure you, because plastic come in, we never have to use glass or metal for make cup or plate or concrete for make pipe. On top of that, she cussed about how the country them in the Caribbean scan Haiti. She said them for stop that. And all of the country them in the Caribbean for make one Caribbean country with CARICOM. So come she start up one organization named the Ieshan Jamaican Group in 2004 for make Jamaica and Haiti work better with one another. She is still the president for the group today. She want change what people think about Haiti. And she want CARICOM for stop show Haiti bad face. She good because it hard for one woman for make change. This are Fi Di Piipl. Till next time, walk good.